Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see all the participants in Google Meet. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com. Once you do that, you have to either join the meeting through the code or the link, or you can also start a new meeting. Well, share the code, and once you share the code, there will be all the participants on your meeting. Now on the screen, you can see options like audio settings, video settings, captions, reactions, presentation, raise hand, and more options there. Well, you have to go to bottom right corner where you can see options like meeting details, show everyone, chat with everyone activities, and host controls. Well, obviously, you have to go to show everyone where you can see you can add people, search for people, but in meeting contributors, you can see here's the participants. Well, I'm the only one in this meeting, so it's showing only one person, but you can see all the participants right here. You just have to scroll down or you can search for them. And guys, that's it. That's how you see all participants in Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.